Hello everyone, welcome back to Ojama Cooking. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a classic Japanese comfort food, curry rice. Japanese curry often tastes even better the next day, so it's great to have leftovers. But if you do have extra, be sure to cool it quickly and keep it in the fridge to keep it safe. Let's get started then. For our simple family curry rice recipe, you will need 500 grams beef. You can use other types of meat like pork, but I will be using beef. 1 onion, 2 medium potatoes, 1 carrot, 2 tablespoons oil, 700 milliliters water, 1 pack Japanese curry roux, about 100 to 120 grams, and cooked rice. Some optional toppings to add after plating include pickled onions and fukujinzuke, Japanese pickles. Throughout this video, I will be adding some of our family secret ingredients to the meal. Every family has their own secret touch, and even a small amount can make the curry richer and more special. So have these ready. 1/2 grated apple, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 to 2 squares chocolate, or 1 teaspoon honey, and curry powder. Now let's get cooking this simple, delicious, and classic Japanese meal. First, we will prepare the ingredients by dicing the onion into nice bite-sized pieces. Of course, make sure to peel the skin before cutting. Next, peel both the potato and carrot so all the skin is removed. Additionally, if you like, you do not have to peel the carrot. Just make sure to wash it really well. Finally, peel half an apple and have it ready for grating. Dice the potato first, then the carrot into bite-sized pieces, just like the onion. Leave these aside and bring out a grater to grate half an apple. Once everything has been prepared, we can use the chopping board to cut the beef. Place the beef on the board and, using a sharp knife, cut it into bite-sized pieces, similar in size to everything else. To reduce dirty dishes, use the tray the beef came in and season the meat with salt and pepper, making sure each piece is coated well. Now everything is ready to cook. Heat a saucepan over medium heat. Add the oil and cook the onion until soft and slightly golden. Add the beef and quickly brown the outside. Once it is browned, we add our first secret ingredient, curry powder. Add 2 teaspoons. This enhances the curry flavor of the meat and makes the meal even tastier. Now add the potatoes and carrot, then lightly stir and sauté them in the oil. Pour in the water. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat slightly and let it simmer for a while, cooking for about 15 minutes or longer, depending on the meat. Now add our secret touch, half a grated apple, to the pot. Add an extra 300 milliliters of water and let it continue to simmer until everything is tender. Once everything is cooked and tender, it is time to turn off the heat and add the curry roux, allowing it to dissolve. Then add our next secret ingredients: 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 1 block of chocolate. Allow the curry to simmer one final time. Turn the heat back on low and cook until the curry thickens, about 10 minutes. And then the curry is complete. Now it's time to serve, everyone's favorite part, as it means it's almost time to eat your delicious creation. First, serve some warm rice onto a plate, and then pour the glossy curry over the top. You can enjoy it with pickled onions or fukujinzuki on the side. There you have it, a delicious Japanese curry rice, comforting and full of home-style flavor. Try serving it with a fresh green salad to make a more balanced meal. I hope you enjoy this Japanese curry rice. Thank you for watching Ojama Cooking. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Japanese recipes. See you next time, and it's time to enjoy this meal. So it's time to say, itadakimasu.